Recently, the newest self-propelled artillery gun, Lotus, has been sent for state testing, said the president of the Kalashnikov concern, Alan Lushnikov. Lotus is equipped with a 120mm gun with a high degree of automation and is intended for artillery units of the airborne forces. According to the representative of SNI Toshmash, the new gun is maximally unified with the gun of the self-propelled gun, Bena. The 2S42, Lotos, represents the forefront of Russian military engineering, designed as a self-propelled 120mm mortar system specifically for the Russian airborne forces. Built on the chassis of the BMD-4M, the Lotos aims to succeed the 2S9 known as self-propelled mortar. With design work completed as of October 2018 and the first prototype constructed shortly after, the vehicle made its public debut in August 2019 at a defense exhibition near Moscow. Dmitry Yurievich Semizerov, the general director of SNI Toshmash, confirmed in an August 2023 interview with RIA Novosti that the Lotos had undergone preliminary trials from October 2020 to March 2022. The Army Recognition editorial team reported in August 2023 that the 2S42 has commenced trial tests, marking the completion of its preliminary tests in August 2022. The Lotos underwent rigorous testing on land and water and was airdropped from various heights and angles. Following these tests, developers addressed identified issues, particularly with the onboard electronics, the shell loading system, and the chassis. Notably, modifications were influenced by insights gained from the ongoing war in Ukraine. Equipped with a 120mm breech-loaded mortar, the Lotos can function both as a mortar and a howitzer, capable of delivering direct and indirect fire. It boasts an automated loading system with a capacity of up to 40 rounds, including specially developed rifled rounds and 120mm mortar mines, enhancing its lethality. The vehicle's maximum firing range reaches up to 13 kilometers. The Lotos is not just formidable in firepower but also in mobility and defense. It features a lengthened hull for increased capacity and protection, matching the BMD-4M airborne infantry fighting vehicle. For self-defense, it includes a remotely controlled weapon station armed with a 7.62mm machine gun and smoke grenade dischargers. Adaptations to the chassis have improved its speed and operational range, with the vehicle achieving up to 70 km/h on roads and 40 km/h on rough terrain. Remarkably, the Lotos retains amphibious capabilities, propelled by 2 water jets, and can be air transported and airdropped by an Ilyushin IL-76 Candid military transport, emphasizing its strategic mobility for airborne operations. As tensions persist, the introduction of the 2S42 Lotos into the theater of operations could signify a substantial shift in the dynamics of modern warfare, illustrating the continuous evolution of military technology in response to conflict demands. As previously described by the national interest, Lotos was born out of the Zorlets D project to produce a new generation of Russian artillery guns. There are few confirmed details on the course of the Zorlets project, with some reports pointing to early production and reliability concerns. Initially conceived as a 120mm derivative of its larger 152mm Zorlets cousin, Lotos fully replaced Zorlets by 2017. SNI MASH executive Dmitry Semizerov claims that the move to a smaller 120mm gun will lead to gains in range and shot accuracy, but this will likely come at a tangible cost to firepower and can lead to reduced efficacy against armored targets. Lotos mortar gun is compatible with a wide range of 120mm ammunition and mortar mines, fired from an automated turret housed inside a fully amphibious BMD-4 chassis. In keeping with the needs of the Russian Air Force, Lotos with its 4-man crew can be deployed in a fully operational state from an airborne IL-76 military transport plane. As with other equipment built on the BMD-4 chassis, an IL-76 should be capable of carrying up to 2 Lotos systems. Lotos can fire 6 to 8 shots per minute at an effective range of up to 13 kilometers, as compared with the 8.8 kilometers of its Soviet Tu-S9 Nona predecessor. The BMD-4, with its maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour and more powerful 450 horsepower 2V 06-2 engine, likewise presents a marked improvement in maneuverability over Nona's 1970s BTRD hull. Tu-S42 Lotos is being developed in tandem with Russia's new Zvezda artillery fire control vehicle. Both will undergo final state trials this year, with serial production scheduled to begin in 2024.